what the front of Caribbean Beach looks like. Alright, so first time at Caribbean Beach here, and this is what the lobby looks like here at Caribbean Beach. Right, Caribbean Beach here. Man, this is a huge hotel. This is the map of Caribbean Beach. You can see they got the Disney Riviera goes around the here. They got Old Port Royale, Marquis, Barbados, Trinidad. Trinidad's where we were staying, way over there. And then Jamaica, Aruba, and what's that other one say? Disney what? Skyliner. Oh, that's Disney Skyliner. So there you go. Let's go back over here.
These are kind of the activities to do when they're here.
This is the recreational activities that are available on a daily basis. Poolside activities, under the sea painting, campfires, nighttime trivia, Disney Family Wellness Friends, Pineapple Social, Mickey tie-dye. Oh, that would be fun. Mickey tie-dye. I wouldn't mind doing that. I don't know what happened, but somehow or another we ended up not getting the right floors. This is the pool area, which we're probably not going to take advantage of. What a cool pool, guys. Get your refill station here. Got your bar. Look how nice this is, guys. I don't know if that's the Skyliner for this place. This is called Sebastian's. Sebastian's Bistro, which is probably where we're gonna have dinner tonight. I don't know, we'll see. Bus depot here at Caribbean Beach. Pretty nice. They have the we are in room 3711, and this is what it looks like. It fits my cart in here great. Got a full-length mirror. Got a Murphy bed here and a Murphy bed here. Two Murphy beds. Couch. Pull it down, Ben. Can you pull it? There you go. There you go. Some Murphy bed. You're gonna probably slide that thing out from underneath it. And you got this. You got this Murphy bed here with that mural in the background, which is, I don't know what that is, just ocean.
It's a
and
Little Mermaid.
another little bed for little kids. Plenty of room in here. This will sleep 5 easily. Nice size TV. Big 65-inch at least. It's a huge TV. Coffee pot. Sink and mirror. Oops. Shower. Just your standard tub shower. Standard commode. Flounder and Sebastian. I mean, I could see you staying here for a week easily. Is it nicer than the boardwalk? No, not really, but they have Braille on the door. I don't know how a blind person's gonna find this room. Hell, I can't even find it, and I could read a map. Kind of cool out here, man. This is right outside our room. Little area here. Let's go back this way. This is the... Oh, it's a little pool area over here, guys. Little bitty pool. So this is Caribbean Beach. We're not going to be able to get down there. And we got some cheerleaders over here working out. Check them out. Well, that was pretty good. I mean, I felt... I mean, how much is admission? I didn't bring my wallet. Yeah.
Today only.
You guys here for comp?
Yeah.
Well, good luck, guys. You're world champs?
No, we're not.
Oh, I was gonna put you on film.
I wish that we were.
Well, you will be if you keep doing what you're doing. They got a whole beach line over here. Hell, I don't even know where I'm at. I don't even know where I was at. it is right here. This is Spyglass Grill. I mean, we're right next to it. That's where I could smell the food from. What do they got there? I don't need no food, but you might go in and see if they got plastic forks. This is a nice little place. Nice little pool area here. And this is just one of many pools they have here. Because this is a huge resort. I'm talking like a mile. It's like a mile long. It's massive. It's massive. It's not like any resort that we've ever stayed out here at Disney for sure. There's a Skyliner coming down into the hub over here, and that's the last hub before it goes into Epcot. Because we're not that far from Epcot. Which way you want to go? This way? Oh, well, so we're not that far from the front.
Yeah.
This is a massive. This is a massive resort. I don't know, let's go up top. You want to go up top or bottom? I don't know, man, but if you want a big ass hotel to stay at, this is the one. And they got another beach area over here. Back side of the pool here. This is a big resort, guys. And when I say big, I mean a real big. I'll tell you what, if you're the type of person that likes to come out for an evening walk, this is a great resort to come to. Oh, yeah. Yeah. So, this is Caribbean Beach. Press Penny Collections. How much is that? You gonna buy them all?
Yeah. There's days
All
where-
8 for $5?
Mhm.
Get them. What are they? Let me see. Caribbean Beach ones. Cool bull, huh? There you go. Dusk at Caribbean Beach. Man, it is beautiful out here. It's got to be 70 and it feels like no humidity. It's just like, as a matter of fact, it's kind of chilly.